আসসালামু আলাইকুম ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, হাউ আর ইউ? কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? আমি আতর রহনবী আছি তোমাদের সাথে। In the previous class we have discussed about the equation, solving equation. Now today we discuss about how to solve the word problem of equation. Now today welcome to my channel Obi Math Study Care. I am Ator Rehanobi, lecturer in mathematics. Now today we discuss about the word problem, how to solve the word problem of equation. Our first problem: if 3 is added with the 4 times of a number, if 3 is added with 4 times of a number, the sum will be 23. Find the number or determine the number. How can we find the or required number? So solving the equation, solution. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. মনে করি যে আমাদের সেই আননোন নাম্বারটা হয়েছে x। যদি সেই নাম্বারটা আননোন নাম্বারটা যদি x হয়, এখানে বলেছে কি যে if 3 is added 4 times of x, অর্থাৎ আমরা যদি যেহেতু here we have taken the unknown number is x, so as per question we can write as per question অনুসারে আমরা কি লিখতে পারি? as per question 3 is added with 4 times of x, অর্থাৎ 4x plus 3 equal to 23. তাহলে our equation is 4x plus 3 equal to 23. So we should solve the equation and then we go get our unknown number. Or what is the procedure to solving equation? We have learned about our previous class. Here 4x plus 3, at first what is our function? আমাদের প্রথম কাজটা কি? Our first duty, our first function is remove 3 from left side of with the 4x. 4x এর সাথে যে 3 আছে, এই 3 টাকে প্রথমে আমাদের রিমুভ করতে হবে। তাহলে কি করতে পারি? 4x plus 3 minus 3, 23 minus 3. So here 3 plus 3 and minus 3 omitted. Plus 3 এবং minus 3 কাটাকাটি হয়ে omit হয়ে যায়। So এখানে সাইড নোট ইউজ করতে পারো যে subtracting 3 from both side. Or next line 4x equal to 20. Or how can we remove 4? Our left side is 4x, right side is 20. To finding the value of x, we should divide 4x by 4. Divided by 4. Why I divide by 4 here? আমি 4 দিয়ে কেন ডিভাইড করলাম? অন্য কোনো নাম্বার দিয়ে we can divide another number. কেন করলাম? Why I divide here by 4? Because our left side the x 4 is multiplying product with x. So omitting the 4, we should divide by 4. 4 and 4 here cutting, and 4 5s are 20. Or x equal to 5. X equal to 5. So the number so the required number is 5. So the required number is 5. তাহলে আমাদের পরবর্তী নাম্বারটা হলো 5. So I can explain it again. There is a problem. If 3 is added with the 4 times of x. 3 যদি একটা নাম্বার 4 টাইমস এর সাথে আমরা অ্যাড করি, then we get 23. Determine the number. So at first solution, let the number be x. But you can also write the unknown number is x also. As per question অনুসারে আমরা what can I do? As per question, we can write 4x plus 3 equal to 23. Since here say 3 is added with 4 times of x, that means our number is x. 4x plus 3 equal to 23. So for omitting the 3, here we have done subtract 3 from both sides. Cutting 3 and 3, 4x equal to 20. For omitting, for the removing 4, here we divide by 4. Divide by 4 of both sides. 4 and 4 cutting, and 4 5s are 20. X equal to 5. So our required number is 5. Dear students, there is another problem. Problem number 2. If 3 times of a number is added 5 times of that number. 3 times of a number is added with 5 times of that number. The sum will be 32. Determine the number. So solution. And similarly, let the number be x, inverted comma. Let the number be x. So here, as per question অনুসারে আমরা কি লিখতে পারি? As per question অনুসারে we can write 3 times of a number is added with 5 times of a number. 5 times, that means 5x, and added 3 times, that means 3x equal to 32. 5 times of a number, 3 times of a number is added with 5 times of a number, or 5x plus 3x, 8x equal to 32, or 8x by 8x. We divide by 8 here because 8 is product with x. For that's why we divide by 8 for removing 8, and 8 4s are 32, or x equal to 4. So x is our so the required number. So the required number is 4. Dear students, this is our another problem. If the price of a pen is less than its specified price by 2 taka, the price would be 10 taka. What is the price of pen? How do you understand from this question? যে একটি পেনের যে প্রাইস আছে, স্পেসিফাইড প্রাইস আছে, সেখান থেকে যদি 2 টাকা লেস হয়, the price would be 10 taka. What is the price of pen? So we can solve it. Solution. Similar type of number. Let the price of pen taka x. let the price of the pen be x টাকা, be x টাকা, or you can write tkx. We should bear in mind we can write x taka. When you spelling the TAK, then you write after the number, but when you write TK, then you write before the number. So here we write let the number of the pen be x taka. আমরা ধরি যে এই কলমটার প্রাইস ছিল x টাকা। তাহলে as per question অনুসারে we can write as per question or according to question, or we can write according to stem. So as per question অনুসারে আমরা we can write x minus 2 equal to 10 টাকা. Why I subtract 2 from here? Here say if specific price is less 2 টাকা, যদি specific price থেকে 2 টাকা কম হয়, the price would be 10 টাকা. That means x minus 2 equal to 10 টাকা, or x minus 2 plus 2, 10 plus 2, adding to both sides. Here x and x plus x and minus plus 2 minus 2 cutting, or x equal to 12, x equal to 12. So the price of pen 12 টাকা. Now, dear friends, my dear students, here I repeat it again. Here say the price of a pen is less than 2 taka from the specific price, then it will be 10 taka. So let, as per question, let the number of price be x taka. আমরা ধরলাম যে কলমটার প্রাইস হচ্ছে x taka, or you can write let the specific price of the number x taka. You can write also. As per question, x minus 2, here say less than 2. That means specific price থেকে x যদি 2 টাকা লেস করা হয়, অর্থাৎ আমরা x যদি মাইনাস করা হয়, x minus 2 equal to 10, or for omitting or removing 2, we adding plus 2 with the both side. So 2 and 2, plus 2 and minus 2 are cutting, then x equal to 12. So this is our price of the pen. Dear students, here is another problem. Here given the problem is sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 42. At first we have to know what is the even number, what is the consecutive even number, or what is the consecutive number. Consecutive that numbers is difference is 1. First number is 3, next number is 4, next number is 5. 3, 4, 5 consecutive numbers, that means is difference 1 when we counting the 3, 4, 5. অর্থাৎ পাশাপাশি যে নাম্বারগুলো আমরা কাউন্ট করি, যে 3 পরে 4, 4 এর পরে 5, 5 এর পরে 6, এগুলো হচ্ছে consecutive নাম্বার. বাট here say 3 consecutive even নাম্বার বলতে কি বোঝাচ্ছে? if our first number be 10, আমাদের প্রথম নাম্বার যদি 10 হয়, তারপরে নেক্সট নাম্বার কত হবে? 12, তারপরে নেক্সট নাম্বার কত হবে? 14, এভাবে যাবে। অর্থাৎ আমাদের ফার্স্ট নাম্বার যেটা হবে তার থেকে 2 করে ডিফারেন্স হবে এভরি কনজিকিউটিভ ইভেন নাম্বার। সো উই ক্যান রাইট solution let the consecutive even number are কি ধরতে পারে একটা যদি x হয় সাপোজ একটা হচ্ছে x তারপরটা কত হবে x plus 2 and x plus 2 plus 2 2 plus 2 মানে x plus 4 let the consecutive even number are consecutive even numbers are x plus 2 and x plus 4 what has said here the sum of three consecutive even number is 42 so as per question we can write as per question অনুসারে আমরা কি লিখতে পারি as per question অনুসারে we can write x plus 2 x plus 4 equal to 42 this is our equation and our next function is finding value of the x here x plus x 36 plus 6 equal to 42 here 36 plus you can write 42 minus 6 dear my dear students you notice that in the previous math I have adding or subtracting with the left side and right side but you can write when you answer the class 6 যখন তুমি class 6 এর জন্য आंसर করবে of course you should adding or subtracting from the both side but in the upper class next class 7 8 or 9 10 then you can easily transfer 6 from left side to right side to left side transfer আমাদের easily করা যাবে so we can write হয়তো dear students you can think that তোমরা মনে করতে পারো যে বোধহয় প্রত্যেকটা ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের অ্যাডিং বা সাবট্রাক্ট করতে হবে নো only for class 6 you should adding or subtracting because it is the root level of starting the equation is started from class 6 when you answer as a students of class 6 of course you should adding or subtracting removing 6 but in the upper class 7 8 or other class you can easily transfer the number here I transfer here 36 here 6 is plus so 6 transfer the right side it become minus 6 it become 36 equal to 36 or x equal to 36 by 3 cutting 3 12s are 36 so x is 12 here x is 12 or so the first number koto our first number equal to 12 second number 12 plus 2 equal to 14 third number it become third number 12 plus 4 16 our first number is 12 second number is 12 plus 2 14 and third number is 12 plus 4 16 here notice that here my dear students and notice that our first even number is 12 or the next even number is 14 and next even number is 16. This is the consecutive even number. In this type you can solve. Dear student, we have solved already 3 or 4 problem. Now we have solved a creative question. আমরা একটি সৃজনশীল question solve করব. Here is given the creative number CK number 1, that will be creative question 1. Father age is 5 times of son age. অর্থাৎ বাবার বয়সটা হচ্ছে সানের এজ থেকে 5 টাইমস। Sum of age of them মানে কার? Sum of age of them, that means মানে কি? Sum of age মানে father and total age of father and son is 48 years. This is our stem. আমাদের এটাই হচ্ছে stem, and according to stem there is a 3 question. যে make an equation according to the stem. stem অনুসারে একটা ইকুয়েশন গঠন করা হবে। যে make an equation according to the question. এই stem অনুসারে আমাদের একটা we have to make an equation. Second question, determine their age after 13 years later. 13 years পরে এই যে বাবা and father and son এর এজটা আমাদের ফাইন্ড আউট করতে হবে। থার্ড কোশ্চেন, কোশ্চেন নাম্বার সি, যে if 2 times of mother age, মায়ের বয়সের 2 times is more than 2 from the sum of father and son age, অর্থাৎ এই যে ফাদার অ্যান্ড সানের সাম অফ এজ যেটা ছিল তার থেকেও more than 12 2 times of mother age, determine the mother age. তাহলে mother age-টা আমাদের ফাইন্ড আউট করতে হবে। mother age-টা ফাইন্ড আউট করতে হবে। Here make the question. Here our first question, A number question marks is 2, B number question marks 4, and C number question marks হচ্ছে 4. This is the 10. One creative marks হচ্ছে 10. 2 4 4. So solving our first question, A number question. Question number A. কি করতে পারেন? make an equation গঠন করতে বলছে। how can we make equation according to the stem? let we should bear in mind, আমাদের কি করতে হবে? আমাদের ধরতে হবে যে জিনিসটা the age is smaller, যার বয়সটা কম, we should take his age. So let what is the which is the smaller age? Here the smaller age is son age. So at first we should take the age of son. Let age of son, let age of son, age of son x years equal to x years. আমরা ধরলাম সানের এজটা হচ্ছে x years. So as per question আমরা কি ফাদার এজ কত হবে? তাহলে 5 times of son age অর্থাৎ 5x. So as per question we can write, as per question the equation will be x plus 5x equal to 48 or 6x equal to 48. This is our equation. This is our equation. অর্থাৎ first question is solved. Determine the, here as per question make an equation according to the stem. Here let age of son x years. So the equation will be x plus 5 times of x, that means father is. Son is plus father is equal to sum of son is and father is 48. So x plus 5x equal to 48, 6x plus 6x equal to 48. This is our equation. Solution number B. B number question. From A we get, কি পেয়েছি? from A থেকে we get 6x equal to 48. 6x equal to 48. So what is our function here? our function is finding value of x. Finding value of x, that means age of sun. So divide by 6. Divide by 6. 6 cutting and 6 8s are 48. So x equal to 8. That means sun age is age of sun. Age of sun equal to 8 years. Age of father equal to 5 into 8, 40 years. 5 into x equal to 40 years. This is the age of son and age of father. But our question was, on the question ki chilo, determine the age of father and son after 13 years later. 13 বছর পরে তাদের এজ কত হবে? তাহলে 13 years later, after 13 years, after 13 years, son age will be 8 plus 13. 8 plus 13 মানে 21 years. 21 years. And father age will be 40 plus 13. 53 years. 53 years. 53 years. So our answer is sun age is 21 years. After 13 years later, sun age will be 21 years. Father age will be 53 years. Now dear students, we have solved already question A and question B. Now question number C. What was the question? The question was 2 times of mother is more than 12 from the sum of age father and son is. 2 times of mother is. So we write here, let age of mother be y years. We write here y because we have laid the age of sun is x year. That's why we should not take x in here. যেহেতু আমরা সানের এজটা x ধরেছি, এখানেও x ধরলে কিন্তু সেম নাম্বার হয়ে যায়. So we can write here another of variable. So we can let age of mother be x year. আমরা ধরি মায়ের বয়সটা y years হতে পারে. So y years যদি হতে পারে as per question, আমরা question অনুসারে কি লিখতে পারি? as per question অনুসারে we can write some topics we should realize. আমাদেরকে অনুধাবন করতে হবে যে here at the first question we have write son of age of son is x year. That's why we cannot write age of mother be x year. আমরা মায়ের বয়স x কিন্তু ধরতে পারি না, যেহেতু সানের এজটা আমরা we have laid the age of son is x, for that's why we write here mother age is y years. So let age of mother be x years, y years. As per question অনুসারে আমাদের কোশ্চেনটা কি ছিল? কন্ডিশন. as per question অনুসারে we can write twice y minus 12 equal to 48. dear students, we should bear in mind, আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে যে why I subtract 12 from here, আমি 12 এখানে কেন সাবট্রাক্ট করলাম। in the question যে 2 times of mother age is 12 years more, মানে মায়ের বয়সে 2 times হচ্ছে এই more than 48, 12 48 থেকে আরো 12 বেশি। সো আমি যদি here I adding here mother age will be more, এখানে যদি আমি 12 অ্যাড করি মায়ের বয়স আরো বেড়ে গেল, এমনিতেই 2 times এক্সট্রা 48 থেকে 12 বেশি। আমি যদি এখানে why I write we adding the 12, আমি যদি এখানে 2 অ্যাড করি কি ঘটনাটা ঘটে, মায়ের বয়স এমনিতেও 2 times 12 ইয়ার্স বেশি, more than, সো এখানে যদি 12 অ্যাড করি আরো বেশি হয়ে যাবে। for that's why here the we use the equal sign, equal sign is করা মানে কি দুই পক্ষকে সমান হতে হবে, তার মানে মায়ের বয়স যদি 2 times of mother age is more than 12, for that's why I subtract here. If we subtract 12, in left side and right side will be equal. We should bear in mind, আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে সব সময় ইকুয়েশন গড়ার ক্ষেত্রে দুই পাশে যেন both side LHS and RHS, right side and left side যেন ইকুয়াল হয়। since 2 times of mother is more than 12 years from sum of father and son is, so we subtract 12 here. So 2y minus 12 plus 12, 48 plus 12, adding 12 both sides. Why I adding here 12 here? Because omitting the 12. Here 12 is minus, for that's why I adding 12. If remain the plus, we should subtract here. So minus 12 plus 12 is cutting twice y equal to 60, or 2y by 2, 60 by 2. Why I divide here 2? Same question. 2 is coefficient of y. 2 কে রিমুভ করার জন্য অবশ্যই আমাকে 2 দ্বারা ডিভাইড করতে হবে। If we want to remove the 2, we should must divide by 2. We cannot divide other number. আমরা আদার নাম্বার দ্বারা ডিভাইড করলে তার 2 কাটা যায় না। আমাকে 2 কে রিমুভ করার জন্য obviously we must divide by 2. 2 and 2 cutting, and 2 30s are 60. So সুতরাং therefore y equal to 30. So this is our mother age. So age of mother is age of mother is 30 years. Answer. All the question, end of the question you can write answer. Only the solution, the equation you cannot write answer. Here you should write, so the equation solution of the equation or root of the equation. But all the question you can write end of the question, answering the question you can write answer. So dear students, in this chapter 6 or 7 level, for the class 6 or 7 level, this is the lecture was 3, because our 2 lecture on the equation in previous class, but that's why this is the lecture number 3, but my lecture number, actual lecture number is 6 for my OB Math Study Care. Here we have solved some exercise problem, some odd problem in equation, and after 4 and 5 exercise problem we have given a creative, and we solve the creative problem. That's why students, if you try this, তোমরা যদি চেষ্টা করো, obviously you can solve easily. So thanks all everybody, meet you again. Thank you.